Makan, let's go check out some of the original products at ENVO.
Absolutely, let's go. So this is the conversion kit. As you can see, we designed and engineered this hub motor. It will come with the front and rear hub. We started this project about 2015, and we start customizing, regular bicycles into an electric bike. So this is a, sustainable engineering company. So as you can see, for example, on the trike here, we have one example. This is a front hub engine. It was a regular tricycle. We simply converted with the front hub motor, with the lithium ion battery here, and the LCD and everything.
So it goes on anything. You can put it on anything.
You can put it on anything. That's how we started the company, customizing and making sure that you can keep your bike, because a lot of people, they love their bikes and they would love to, just simply convert that and enjoy riding and get that assist going.
Spice a little magic on it, and
exactly.
You got big legs like that.
Exactly. So yeah, this is technically the system that we provided, and during the years we evolved and we started doing e-bikes and everything as well. But that was the main concept that we had.
So you got the front hub here, and then you've got the rear hub.
And we also have the rear hub. Yep. So it will come with different wheel sizes. You can get anywhere from 20-inch, 24-inch, 26 up to 700C. Different motors, 350 hub, 500 watts, 750, even more.
Really?
So these are the engine that technically we engineer. So this is just for ENVO. It's like a special system. It's very efficient, very light. I would say one of the lightest motor hub that you can find in the market. Brushless geared hub system. And the battery itself is done by LG, which is the lithium ion. Again, known to be one of the lightest systems in the moment, Canada-wide and North America-wide, I would say.
So you get pedaling along, and you set the little throttle here, and all of a sudden you're zooming along.
Actually, let's
let's check it out.
I'll show it to you. So simply, all you got to do, you can turn on the system. You have pedal assist, and you also have the throttle. So as I apply this, you can see that the wheel will spin.
Very quiet too.
Right? Yeah, you can barely hear anything.
I can barely hear it.
You can barely hear anything.
Let's go full speed. Let's see what's got.
It's cool.
Whoa! Really?
Yeah.
That'll take you up a hill.
This is showing 38 kilometers. So
nice.
Lots of power, I would say.
That's legit.
Yeah, that is, yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, a lot of options. So brake cutoff sensor, pedal assist. The controller, obviously, this is the brain of the system that you need in order to work everything out. But we provide that as a whole kit, and we can do it for you as an installation, or you can do it yourself. It's a very, it's not that difficult, I would say. I myself, I don't consider myself super handy, but I've done my conversion myself. So there you go.
Oh wow, that's cool. Well, this has been a very successful piece of ENVO, and my mother-in-law bought one last month, and she's very happy with it.
Lovely.
So yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Right on.
I'll go on.
Yeah.